आज हम मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट 1000 माइनिंग एम्स की सीरीज़ का पार्ट 21 डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं। इस वीडियो में हमने CIL-MT एग्ज़ाम और फर्स्ट क्लास मैनेजर सर्टिफिकेट एग्ज़ाम में रॉक मैकेनिक्स से पूछे गए क्वेश्चंस कवर किए हैं। इस वीडियो के PDF का लिंक आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएगा। लिंक पे क्लिक करके आप PDF डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं।
और यदि आपने हमारे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर देंगे
ताकि आपको हमारे लेटेस्ट वीडियो का अपडेट सबसे पहले मिलते रहे। तो चलिए अब देर न करते हुए अपना माइनिंग ज्ञान और बढ़ाते हैं। Modulus of elasticity of rock is the ratio of option A strain to applied area, option B failure load to applied area, option C load stress to strain, option D axial displacement upon lateral displacement. Right answer is option C. Modulus of elasticity of rock is the ratio of load stress to strain. इसके अलावा ध्यान में रखिएगा पॉइजन्स रेशियो इज इक्वल्स टू लेटरल स्ट्रेन डिवाइडेड बाय लॉन्गिट्यूडनल स्ट्रेन या रेडियल स्ट्रेन डिवाइडेड बाय एक्सियल स्ट्रेन। शियर मॉडुलस यानी मॉडुलस ऑफ रिजिडिटी इज इक्वल टू शियर स्ट्रेस डिवाइडेड बाय शियर स्ट्रेन। बल्क मॉडुलस यानी मॉडुलस ऑफ कंप्रेसिबिलिटी इज इक्वल टू हाइड्रोस्टैटिक प्रेशर डिवाइडेड बाय वॉल्यूमेट्रिक स्ट्रेन। द रूप बोल्ट दैट फॉलोज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पॉइंट एंकरेज इज ऑप्शन ए एक्सपेंशन सेल बोल्ट, ऑप्शन बी फुल कॉलम ग्राउटेड बोल्ट, ऑप्शन सी स्वेलेक्स बोल्ट, ऑप्शन डी स्प्लिट सेट बोल्ट। राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन ए। द रूप बोल्ट दैट फॉलोज द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ पॉइंट एंकरेज इज एक्सपेंशन सेल बोल्ट। द यील्ड स्ट्रेस ऑफ ए मटेरियल इज द स्ट्रेस एट विच ऑप्शन ए स्ट्रेस टू स्ट्रेन रेशो इज कांस्टेंट, ऑप्शन बी द मटेरियल फेल्स, ऑप्शन सी the Poisson's ratio is maximum, option D the permanent deformation first appears. Right answer is option D. The yield stress of a material is the stress at which the permanent deformation first appears. In an underground coal mine, a freshly exposed roof can be supported by a temporary support in the form of option A hydraulic props, option B safari supports, option C screw props, option D triangular chocks. Right answer is option B. In underground coal mine, a freshly exposed roof can be supported by a temporary support in the form of safari supports. The rock bolts used for reducing the curing time and for increasing safety are option A expansion cell bolt, option B resin bolts, option C grouted bolts, option D slot and wedge bolts. Right answer is option B. The rock bolts used for reducing the curing time and for increasing the safety are resin bolts. Roof falls are more common if the face is at option A parallel to the main clit, option B none of the other options, option C 60 degree to the main clit, option D right angles to the main clit. Right answer is option A. Roof falls are more common if the face is at parallel to the main clit. Hardness of rock is defined by option A rock quality designation, option B rock mass rating, option C Mohrs scale, option D factor of safety. Right answer is option B. Hardness of rock is defined by rock mass rating. The preferred shape of an opening in a hydrostatic stress field is option A an ovoid, option B an ellipse, option C a rectangle, option D a circle. Right answer is option D. The preferred shape of an opening in a hydrostatic stress field is a circle. The angle of draw in a trough subsidence helps in determining the option A plane of fracture, option B critical width of opening, option C extent of surface subsidence, option D maximum subsidence. The angle of draw is a trough subsidence helps in determining the extent of surface subsidence. The yield load of hydraulic powered support is option A equal to its setting load, option B more than its setting load, option C none of the other options, option D less than its setting load. Right answer is option B. The yield load of hydraulic powered support is more than its setting load. RMR is predominantly used for estimation of rock load and design of the support system in underground coal mine. Option A for go edge, option B for development roadways in coal seam. Option C for depleting district. Option D for shaft sinking. Right answer is option B. RMR is predominantly used for estimation of rock load and design of support system for development roadways in coal seam in underground coal mines. Friction prop is a option A rigid type of support, option B yielding type of support, option C tangential type of support, option D diagonal type of support. Right answer is option B. Friction prop is a yielding type of support. The subsidence that continues to occur after completion of depleting is known as option A critical subsidence, option B nominal subsidence, option C subcritical subsidence, option D residual subsidence. Right answer is option D. The subsidence that continues to occur after completion of depleting is known as residual subsidence. In case of a weak rock overlain by strong rock, bolt installed through them will act in option A suspension, option B beam building, option C keying, option D consolidation. Right answer is option A. Bolt installed through them will act in suspension. In underground coal mines, stress cells and stress meters are used to measure option A in situ stress in mine, option B load on breaker line props, option C induced stress in pillars, option D closure between roof and floor. Right answer is option C. Stress cells and stress meters are used to measure induced stress in pillars. As per the guidelines of the Ministry of Environment and Forest, safe limit of tensile strain in forest land is option A 3 mm per meter, option B 7 mm per meter, option C 12 mm per meter, option D 20 mm per meter. Right answer is option D. Safe limit of tensile strain in forest land is 20 mm per meter. Smith hammer rebound test is carried out in rock for determining option A shear strength, option B uniaxial compressive strength, option C tensile strength, option D triaxial strength. Right answer is option B. Smith hammer rebound test is carried out in rock for determining uniaxial compressive strength. Change in induced stress in rock mass can be determined by using option A USBM deformation gauge, option B hollow inclusion stress meter, option C door stopper, option D telltale. Right answer is option B. Change in induced stress in rock mass can be determined by using hollow inclusion stress meter. Pressure arc theory deals with option A distribution of stresses around a mine opening, option B low thickness zones, option C arcing of supports erected, option D shear zones. Right answer is option A. Pressure arc theory deals with distribution of stresses around a mine opening. Stress is a option A scalar quantity, option B vector quantity, option C tensor quantity, option D imaginary quantity. Right answer is option C. Stress is a tensor quantity.
So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit the like button, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel for more mining related videos.